Okay, welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Okay, we have been on series of topics in under numbers, which we have done the LCM of numbers, HCF of numbers, LCM of algebraic expression. Okay, so today in our video, we are going to look at HCF of algebraic expression. Okay, HCF of algebraic expression. So let us write it down. HCF of algebraic expression. HCF of algebraic expression. Okay. Now, like we saw in LCM of algebraic expression, HCF of algebraic expression is not far different from HCF of numbers. What am I trying to say? What did we do in HCF of numbers? We only divided by the common factors. In HCF of algebraic expression, we are only also going to divide by the factors. What am I trying to say? Let's take an example. Find the HCF of 3x and 2x squared y. Okay, 3x and 2x squared y. Let's have our solution. What did we do in numbers? We partitioned our numbers or the expression given and we divided by the common factor. And what is common factor? Common factor is a number that can divide this one and also divide this one. That is a common factor. Now, if you look at 3x, 2x squared y, x is a common factor. Why? Because x can divide 3x. Let's have it here. If you have 3s over s, you can divide and have 3. And if you have 2s squared over s, you can divide, of course, this twice. So this one will go with one of these, okay? One will remain. Why? Because 2s squared y is the same thing with 2x s y. So when you are dividing it by s, one of these will go with one of these. And what do you have left? You have 2xy as your answer there. Okay, so that makes x a common factor. So when you use s to divide, you have what? 3, and you have what? 2xy. And what do we have next? 3, 2xy. Is there any common factor? Let's think. Do we have anything that can divide 3 that can also divide 2xy? I don't think so. Of course, there's no whole number that can do that. So our HCF is equals to of HCF of 3s and 2s squared y is x. That's the highest common factor. Let us look at another example. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's call this number 1. Number 2, let us look at 17a squared y and 15ay squared b. 17a squared y and 15ay squared b. We are trying to look for the HCF. Okay, so we put our numbers a squared the way we have been doing it, 15ay squared b. So let's look at the number first. We have 17, we have 15. Is there anything that can divide these two numbers? No, because 17 and 15 does not have any common factor. So we cannot go by that. But there's a here, there's a here. Okay, so there's one a, there's two a here. There's a into two places. That's a times a, of course, which will give you a square, and there is just a single a here. So a single a is common. When a single a divide here, you have what? A. So that will give us 17ay. When that single a is being cancelled out here, you have 15y square b. Okay, we have 15y square b. So the next thing we have that is in common is y. Y is here, y is here, but we have just one y here and we have a double y here. So let's go with one y. That will give us 17a. Then one of the y will go with this one. I'll have 15yb. Okay, so our HCF here become what? AY. All right, so you can see that that is actually how to, we can have three of that. We can have three of that. Okay, we can even have the ones that have that are in brackets. Okay, let's wipe this one off. You can be asked to find the HCF of s plus 1, s plus 1 square, and s plus 1 cube. So we can be asked to find the HCF of this. Okay, we did something like this in LCM in our previous videos. Okay, so the same thing is what you're going to do here. Okay, the same thing that we have done there is what we're going to do. So what are we going to do here? We have our x plus 1. We have our x plus 1 square, and we have our x plus 1 cube. Okay, now if you look at this, s plus 1 into just one place here, twice here, three times here. Okay, so that will give us s plus 1 is common. So if s plus 1 divide this s plus 1, I will have 1 remaining. And if s plus 1 divide it, remember this thing means that it's into two places. So one of it will remain. And this one means that it is into three places. So two of it will remain. So what is our highest common factor? Our highest common factor is just what? X plus 1. Okay, so that's our highest common factor. You can try this with a lot of examples. Check your textbook, check online, and you see a lot of textbook. Pick up exercises, try your hands on them. If you face any difficulty, do well to comment